Hi everyone, my name is Ira from Rhymba Tea. Today I'm going to share my one of favorite tea from Rhymba Tea. One of my favorite tea is a lemongrass plant. The ingredient of lemongrass plant is coffee lime leaf, pandan, also lemongrass. Okay, before that I have a problem with sleep at night. We call it insomnia. So because of my favorites, it help me sleep at night. And tomorrow morning, it help you to go to direct to toilet. Good for indigestion, your stomach. And then the most important is the ingredient is all natural, no caffeine and no sugar. That's why it's helped me a lot. And then the feel of tea is more light than other tea. That's why it's my favorite tea. For more detail, you can direct to our website to Rhymba Tea for others benefit. Thank you.